Hey, welcome back to a Dollar Tree makeover. Addison and I went on a Dollar Tree haul, and here is what she helped pick out. I don't normally use all of this makeup, so this will be an experiment. It could be really cool or super embarrassing, but let's give it a try. This is my first time using primer. Believe it or not, I've never used it before. And I put way too much. Again, first day using it ever, so please be kind in your comments. I thought I'd use a lot because, well, I have those dark circles under my eyes from the accident when I was in 7th grade, and I've never had surgery to correct it. And so I'm really self-conscious about them, so it's kind of odd that I'm doing a video. But my daughter Addison encouraged me to do this, thought I should give it a try. So why not? Foundation time. So I use CoverGirl foundation. Comment below what kind of foundation you use, because I'd be interested. Don't know that I'm completely satisfied with this, but it's pretty good and it's a little cleaner than other foundations. Do you make funny faces when you do your makeup? I didn't realize how many faces I made until I watched this back. Concealer. I use a Maybelline concealer stick that's supposed to, again, be a color correcting. I ran out and or I'm a little low, and so I'm having to use my finger to dip down and use that last little bit before I buy any more. What's your favorite kind of concealer? And do you prefer to use a beauty blender or a brush to put it all on? I'm not an expert. This is my first time trying some of this makeup. And it's time for blush. Do you make a fish face or something funny to put your blush on? Bronzer. Now, I've never used this before. Always kind of wanted to, never have. I understand there you can use a different colored foundation, as I learned later. For bronzer, there's powders, there's creams. This happens to be a powder. And I'm not really sure what to do with it on my first try, because I don't want to look orange or brown, because that's not my natural color. So let's see how this turns out. Highlighter is next. Now, I'll have to say, I was most excited about the highlighter, thinking that it would help it look cool, but I was most disappointed in this particular highlighter, as it had sparkles in it, and I'm not really into looking shiny or sparkly. So don't necessarily recommend this particular one. But I'd love to know what kind of highlighter you use and which one you'd recommend. Now, I'm not a complete novice on eyeshadow. Don't use it a lot because I don't like it when it gets in my eyes and the powder breaks off. However, I've noticed that this LA Colors, as I've borrowed my daughter's makeup a little bit, and she has bought me some for Mother's Day and things like that, I actually noticed that it stays on my face. So I kind of like it. So giving this one a try. Never used this color other than one that I borrowed from Addison one day. And I thought, okay, I'm going to take the plunge and see if I can wear more makeup and whether I like it or not. Okay, eyebrow time. I'm not a pro at this, but it's something I've looked at doing just to add some definition. Because I tried out glasses not too long ago, and I realized that my glasses were basically becoming my eyebrows. Because the glasses are being made so big now that they almost cover them up, at least on my face anyway. Mascara is next. I have used L'Oreal mascara off and on for years, and it's probably my favorite. It's cheap and it does a pretty good job. I've tried some others, but they usually flake off in my eye. L'Oreal does a pretty good job. Toward the end it starts to flake off, and then I just toss it and get a new one. I know some people add olive oil or coconut oil to theirs to get the last bits out. Never tried it, but maybe I'll do that on another video. I have to laugh at myself with all these weird faces. I kind of cringe as I'm watching this through and editing it, but oh well. So next time you do your makeup, take a look. Do you make all sorts of weird faces? Open your mouth, leave it open, make faces? I definitely do. Now my daughter Addison has given me a makeover with this particular lipstick, so I bought it because I liked the color pretty well. What is your favorite color lipstick or brand? I'd love to know. Time to do my hair. I have this 1-inch barrel crimping iron. I bought it off of Amazon. It gets really hot. I think up to 210 degrees Celsius. For whatever reason, it comes in Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit's typically what I'm used to, but anyway, it gets really hot. I hold it for about 30 seconds, and here's the final reveal. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's quite a transformation. I don't know that I feel like this makeup routine is any better than what I'm currently doing, but it does look nice. I think so. So have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like my makeup and hair. Bye-bye.